Now, isn't this just fabulous? A little bit different because of the colour. So let's start by telling you what it is. Gondwana Stone, a beautiful colour on this Defender 110 hardtop commercial. It's a 2626 with literally 46 miles on. So it's like a brand new car. 3-litre diesel, D250, dynamic SE. That has all that beautiful styling, but the SE then also gives you upgraded leather, heated seats, electric memory seats. But then you can see just instantly that this is not a standard ordinary Defender. It's got this beautiful Bespoke styling kit on it. And I don't just mean a few badges. We sell lots of these. I'm going to put it out there, probably hundreds, and they sell themselves, because if you're a business and you want a commercial vehicle, that's what this is. It's price plus VAT, it has the remainder of the 3 years warranty, and like I keep saying, a commercial vehicle doesn't have to be just a boring van. If you've got a very good successful business, why not treat yourself and get yourself in a lovely premium SUV with lots of lockable space, and one that is easy on the eye, and one that you can look at and go, you know what, I'm doing well. So this one, let's start from the front. It is the 26th, the most recent model. They've just changed the shape recently with regards to headlights here, bonnet venting, side venting, interior, and then round the back. But this car has the upgraded venting, the Canards just here, the squared LED daytime running lights, and this cover here is different. You've then got the lovely grooved wide track side extension arch kit, 22-inch gloss black wheels, the classic style mud flaps. The side venting here is different, the quad pod lights at the top, contrasting black roof, which looks really well against the Gondwana Stone, and then you have got the side steps. But let's look inside. It's then got something which I think more so recently I'm seeing more often, the darker cross beam cover here, and that looks fantastic. The big screen navigation, full digital dashboard, adaptive cruise control, and then this car's got air suspension. £3,000 extra, but it makes a massive difference. It's also got the electric deployable Towbar. This leather is nice, premium, luxurious leather, electric seats just there. Isofix attachment in the front. This is a question we do get quite often because there isn't seats in the back. If you're driving and you've got a baby seat to put in the front, if you look here, this is Isofix attached, so you can just put your seat straight in there. The centre bridge with the wireless charging pad, 2 keys obviously. You've got heated seats, the ambient lighting package. This is beautiful. This is exactly how one of the top of the range Defenders should look like and will look like. Lots of lockable space. This pops open, this comes out, bulkhead with the LED lights and the hangers. Round the back, that beautiful styling continues. Easy on the eye with the top spoiler, the hardback spare wheel cover, and the new design to the rear lighting system. On the previous ones, these were gapped out and there was a cover here and a gap here. So these are slightly different now. You've then got this big boot space. Having the big boot space means you can load it all up. You've got the tow bar, you press one button, electronically that comes out, ready for use. Once you're done, press the button again and it goes away. I use the word obviously, the car's a 26 reg with 46 miles on, so it's brand new in every single way. No dents, no scratches, all the wheels in perfect condition. It's as you'd expect it to be. Here from the driver's zone, the first thing you notice is, like a good commercial car should be, it's nice and high up, visibility is brilliant. You've got 360 camera system, so you can see every single corner of the car. Front rear parking sensors. This area is nice and neat, and you can fold that away, which then gives you reach to the below deck as well. My name's Joe, this one's going live now. If you have been waiting for one with a bit more of a premium palette, a different colour, then this is your chance. Give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. Unfortunately, good news for us, bad news for our viewers. Cars like that normally hang about a couple of hours. Thank you, bye bye now.